Assembling, dismantling, replacing or cleaning the quartz sleeve. To ensure the system works properly, it is important to replace the sleeve once every 4 years and to clean the quartz tube regularly. Ensure the UV system is switched off. First, relieve the water pressure from the reactor chamber. Allow the unit to cool down for at least 10 minutes. Use the gloves supplied to prevent fingerprints on the glass. Remove the UVC lamp. Turn the reactor coupling counterclockwise. Carefully pull the quartz sleeve out of the reactor chamber and remove the locking sleeve. Slide the O-ring off the quartz tube and discard it. Always use a new O-ring to prevent leaks. Remove the safety spring from the quartz sleeve. Clean or replace the quartz sleeve. Reassembly of the quartz sleeve is carried out in the reverse order to disassembly. Place the quartz tube in the reactor chamber and ensure it passes centrally through the flow plate. Take a new O-ring and slide it over the quartz sleeve. The pressure sleeve has a slanted and a flat side. Use the flat side of the locking sleeve to press the O-ring into position and pull the quartz sleeve back by approximately 50 mm. Turn the locking sleeve around so that the slanted side is pressed against the O-ring. Assemble the reactor coupling by turning it clockwise until it is hand tight. Insert the safety spring into the quartz sleeve. Use a new one if the old spring is rusty. Return the UV lamp to the system and switch the UV system back on.